So fast forward a couple days, and this car's back together. And this thing's already back in here.
Yeah.
So we kind of didn't record anything, but the Jay-Z's all together and smashed back in here.
Yeah, we got that done really fast. Here, you want to pop the hood? Yeah, we got some snow here. There was a lot more a few days ago, but apparently we got more snow coming. Which kind of sucks. I don't like snow. Anyways, there's the one Jay-Z. Oh man, what happened?
The hood shroud broke. Damn. Anyways, so one Jay-Z's back in. This is the new one I picked up. Put a lot of the old stuff back on it, so it looks kind of similar.
Yeah, like we reused the intake, reused the turbo, all this piping and stuff.
This is like from my old engine, this
Yeah.
carbon fiber stuff.
So, you want to explain about this throttle cable?
So this is an S14 throttle cable. And there's a little bit of extra back here, but you can't really tell.
Yeah.
But it bolts right up, and the throttle cable is happy.
Yeah, so this one is not going to bind up because we used a Toyota Tercel throttle cable.
That's what the forum said.
Yeah, that's what everyone said to use, and it worked fine for the last 2 years until now when it got stuck and Redline's engine and blew it up. So, is it somewhere up here? Yeah, here it is.
So here we kind of jerry-rigged this. You see, you have to cut this part to use this cable.
So this is S13 part.
This is a Tercel throttle cable.
And we had to like cut that right there to make it all fit in there. But obviously every time you used it, it would like rub up against here. And that's what caused it to fray.
So this would be the pedal. And you would pull it. And it would get stuck. There you go. So here's where the throttle cable, where the throttle body would be. And this would be stuck open.
Yeah, it would just be stuck open.
So
yeah, you can hear that crunchiness too.
Yep, that's what happened. This is what cost me my engine.
Yeah. Pretty expensive mistake. Well, not a mistake, but you know, things happen like that, so yeah.
I knew about it, but I didn't fix it. So it's my fault.
Yeah. So, yeah, S13 is done.
Oh, we got the cams in there.
Oh yeah, we got
Sounds
the 264 cams in there.
I guess we can show them that.
Yeah, we can show them that.
There's the key.
It's on the toolbox over there. And also, we got the 280Z done, which you guys have already seen. So these two cars are done. And finally, I can work on my Skyline. Might want to let it warm up a little, I guess. Yeah, look at all this snow. It's not very common for Seattle to get snow like this.
Here's the lope with the 264 cams. And you can definitely hear it.
Yeah, you can definitely tell there's a cam in there now. Before, it was just like a really smooth sounding, but now it's kind of loopy. Sounds pretty cool. Want to give it a couple of revs?
Go ahead. Still a cold start. That's why it's a little smoky. You can see all the snow here. But yeah. So I feel like it spools a lot quicker because there's more air getting in there. Because it leaves the valve open longer. I've been driving it, but I haven't really been getting on it.
Yeah, it's been icy.
It's been icy. But yeah. It's pretty cool to drive this thing around again.
This, I guess.
I've been driving this around too. They have both my cars back on the road.
Good.
Alright, so now that both my cars are done, the 240 and the Z, Alan can get back to his car.
Yeah, so if you remember, I pulled this engine out in September last year, I think. So it's been about 4 or 5 months or so. And then we just took the head off like a month ago. And finally, we can take apart this block. So that means, you know, the water pump, thermostat, oil stuff, motor mounts, all this stuff's going to come out. Also going to take out the pistons and rods so that we can get it all ready for a machine shop. So...
Alright, so first off, all this crap.
Yeah. And if you missed the live video we did, cylinder 6 had a problem. It has a broken ringland, so it's low compression. So
RB stuff, huh?
yeah, it's real common in RVs. So I'm gonna try and address all these issues. Also has problems with the oil pump, but I got parts for that. I mean, this one's still okay, but it's preventative maintenance. So yeah, overbore by 0.5 millimeter, 0.5. I also got some tool-made cams for the head.
You getting cams too? Dude, cams are sick. I noticed like at least 500 RPM quicker spool time.
That's what cams do. It makes your car spool faster. And depending which cam you get, it helps with the low end, mid-range, or the higher range.
It basically shifts where the power is.
Yeah. For a street car, you want it to be like between the low and the mid-range. So, something to say.
And before, I wouldn't even boost like in traffic. Now I can. Not that it really matters, but it's cool.
At least people can hear it now. So,
yeah, like a couple feet, like whoop, you hear the turbo. It's cool.
Yeah. So for this car, this is going to have like a stock style rebuild. Nothing crazy. That's what this car is going to be for. So this car is going to have the stock turbo. And that intake which I have on there. I'm not using that exhaust manifold for this car. Like, that is actually going on this car. And I'll get to that after I finish this car.
Man.
So, street car, track car. There you go. There's a glimpse at my plans. Yeah.
What is this contraption?
So this is where the oil filter bolts on. And it's also the oil cooler.
Oh, it just throws it into the coolant, huh?
Yep. So it looks like I gotta buy this gasket, because I don't think I have that.
What's that? Looks like it's just
Paper.
paper. Okay.
Yeah. So, almost fully stripped down.
I think the Jay-Z does it like that too. It's interesting working on both these engines and seeing how they are put together. So my bad engine's right here. This is the one I was knocking. We'll get to this sometime, but I don't have a car to put it in.
Shouldn't have sold that hatch.
Oh yeah, I had a white 240 hatch that I sold to some kid. Man.
And he raced it out.
It was pretty nice. Now it's not mine anymore. Well, I kind of don't want to put it in the Z, but I kind of want to put it in the Z. You know what I mean? Because Z would be flying with this engine.
Yeah, but a car that old doesn't need to be that fast.
Well, you see those drag cars? Anyways, so I'm gonna check out what's going on with this engine, see what parts it needs. It didn't throw a rod out, so it's still usable, I believe. Yeah. Here, back to Alan. Oh yeah, big moment here.
Yeah. So I got everything off on a block, and more coolant spilled out.
Special move.
That's just how it always is. It's
Anyways,
always coolant.
Here we are, removing.
Yeah, so I'm taking the rods out. I think I'm going to leave the crank in there. I'll let the machine shop deal with that. So, just loosening all this stuff up.
Let me get this thing out of the way.
Yeah.
Pick up.
I'm excited to see the cylinder 6. See how exactly it blew up. Oh, there's an O-ring there. Gotta remember that. I actually bought a new pickup too.
Why?
Just in case. Because mine was dented in too. But that looks okay.
It was great. Oh yeah. My Jay-Z was smashed up upon delivery. The oil pan.
Luckily,
so we had to get a pan and a pickup.
Yeah. But good thing they paid for it.
Yeah. It's just, you know, it's just how it goes. Unless you pick it up locally. So you got all new hardware for this stuff?
Oh yeah. All new ERP stuff. Only the best.
So these are like one-time use?
Yeah, you're not supposed to reuse rod bolts, even the main bolts, because they're stretch bolts. If you reuse it, you risk, you know, having it blow up or something. Yeah, I'm just throwing them in a bag just to have it, but I'm not going to reuse them. I think this is the last set. And ready to drop the rods and pistons out.
Exciting. You get to see the catastrophic damage.
I'm also not going to reuse these rods, and you'll see why after this. Well, not why, but I'm just upgrading them.
Of course, the best time to upgrade things.
Yes. So now they're ready to pop out. Now I'm not going to reuse these, but I just want to take them out and have them come out the same way. Like, you know, I don't want this flipped over or something.
Sure.
Now how do I take it out?
So it looks like we got 3 of the pistons out so far. Going pretty well, huh?
Yeah.
It's like you're just smashing a pry bar on the backside of it, huh?
Pretty much.
It's very professional.
Very gently, though.
Oh. There it comes. It's like giving birth.
Okay, that's 4.
Trying to get to number 6 right here. That's the exciting one, huh?
Yep. Bearings look great too. Come on. Oh, kind of a tight space. Oh. Okay, that's 5. Now this is what we all want to see. Number 6.
So one of these rings supposed to be broken?
Like where the ring sits is broken.
Oh. Alright, here comes number 6. Where is it?
There it is. Hang on. So look at that. See that part right there is moving around? Actually, I can probably pop it out. Broken ringland. There you go. Look at that. You look in here. So that's where that piece was. A little bit more broken stuff over here.
Huh.
Yeah. All right.
So there it is.
Broken ringland. A very common problem with these cars. Funny thing was, the car still ran fine. It just smoked a little bit and had an occasional misfire. Compression test showed that cylinder 6 was bad. 60 psi, whereas the others are like 150. So, there you go. Engine's all apart. I'm gonna leave the crank in there. I'm gonna leave the main caps in there. I'll have the machine shop deal with that.
So, guess we'll see us again when it's all done, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm hoping soon. I guess this video is kind of dragged on, so I'll show you my parts that I got next time. But, yeah.